Hello guys, I will be working on a MacBook Pro A1502, which is the board number is 8204924. What's happening here is it's not turning on. So let's figure out what's wrong with it and if we can fix it or not. As you can see, it is sensing the adapter. It turns green and then yellow. That means adapter sense is working. The next thing is to check the power lines. I will bring you here. Okay. I will turn on the multimeter. First of all, we will check if we got most common power aliases, which is present all the time. Oh, I see nothing here. So this is G3 hot, as you can see. I have to restart the multimeter, sorry. Okay, is it going now? Okay, this is G3 hot. As you can see, G3 hot is present. Okay, nothing here. I think this one is 5-volt line and nothing here. This is also G3 hot, looks like. Okay, this one, as you can see, this is, we get 3.2, 2.7 and then it drops to 0. So this is not stable line here. So we have to check if this is 1.5 or 5 volt or 3.42 line. Check here. Nothing here. So just by looking at this, it looks like G3 hot is present. Most probably that's why we are getting yellow and green light. Adapter sense is available. Now we will check what lines we are missing actually. And what we were checking was here, which is L7520. L7520 is 5-volt line, which was here, and we had absolutely nothing here. Let's check again. Come back. So this is the one I'm talking about. See, we should get 5 volt here, and I have got nothing. And the next one is this one here. It most probably it should be 1.5 volt line. Is this one is here, 1.5 volt line most probably. Yeah, nothing here. So we are missing 1.5 and 5 volt lines. Okay, so the first thing that comes to my mind is it could be 3.5 or 5 volt and 3.5 and 1.5 volt power management IC. But before that, let's have a look on the board if we could find any physical evidence. And the board number you can see here, it's 8204924. Yeah. Board generally looks like it's. Let's check other side. Little bit of here. Do you see? But this honestly doesn't look like it's a damage. I don't think so. But anyway, we will have a look what is this component is, and if this is making the whole computer not turning on, we will check. Okay, let's check what this component is. We'll come back here. Oh, sorry, I have to bring you here. Okay, so this one is this the one? Yeah, that's the one here. Is it keyboard backlight? Looks like it's keyboard backlight. And let's check with the multimeter. Come back here. No, that looks okay to me. Pad is okay. Yep, pad is alive. Nothing wrong with it. Okay. Looking at the situation, the next thing which honestly came to my head is this one here, which is this is 5 volt and 3.3 volt power supply. This guy here, let's look here in the, say this one here, which is U7501. This is 5 volt and 3.3 volt power supply. So next thing I would like is to check U7501. Next thing I will be doing is checking this from pin number 1 to pin number 32, and I will bring you down to the microscope. I will keep looking here, like pin number 1 is 5 volt, again 5 volt. This is pin number 3 is 3.3 volt. So I will come back under the microscope and let's check it. This is U7501, and let's check from pin number 1. Pin number 1 nothing, and we know pin number 1 should read 5 volt. Nothing here. And let's check pin number 2. Pin number 2 is, we got nothing. Pin number 3, as you can see, it jumps to 1.6, 1.2, and then it drops down to 0. Whereas here, let's come back here, whereas it should read 3.3 volt. Okay. Pin number 4 is nothing. And this again is reading, you can see there, it goes up to 2.4, 1.9, and then 0.
I'm not sure he will buy, but
We will take it out and we'll see if it sort out our problem. Okay. So no moisture damage, nothing looks burned. It looks like it's just failed, isn't it? Okay, now we will get U7501 from a donor board. This is the donor board. Take it out now. I hope it should solve our problem. If this is what the problem is. And unfortunately, not all the electronics are repairable. Okay, and we will put it here and get our other port. Oh, you can see, right? Or you can't see? I think you can see. That's all done. Looks perfectly sitting fine to me. Okay, all good. Okay, all good. Let's see if we manage to find any power on the board now. Okay, now let's check if we got any power. We'll bring you to microscope. Okay, now check pin number 1. Pin number 1, I think we should get 5 volt now. If we are getting 5 volt, and then we might sort it our problem. No, still the same. See, nothing here. Nothing here. Wow, that's bad. That's real bad. Okay, let me check. But the resistance is on the pairs where we are getting no voltage. Okay. This should not be showing. See, this is okay here, but these are 5 volt line. Am I sure? Okay, let's go back here. Go back, desktop, and here. This is U7501. Pin number 1 is 5 volt line. It should not be like this. Definitely not. And even pin number, so this is PP5 volt S3 and this is PP5 volt S3 DRVH. But why? So come back here again. So let's check again. Very low resistance, as you can see. We have to check this line. Okay, in that case I think what I should do now is, let's come back here. So this is pin number 2, which is PP5 volt S3 line, and let's check these resistor here. Capacitors here, which is C7552. 7552. Let's come back here. 7552, which is on the other side. 7552 is this guy here. Let's check. See the resistance? That's not right. Definitely not right. And this is also connected to the same line? Nah. So now I think I should check it under the thermal cam. We will apply some amps and see if we got any heat point. Okay, so now this is under the thermal cam here, and we will apply some amps and check. So this is the line. Okay. Yep. Do you see guys here? This guy here. Okay. This one. Let's come back and check under the board view. What is this? This is where we were at before, and this is the component which is showing heat, but this is not even but that makes sense because this is it okay? Let's see where it's connected to, because it's not showing even in the same line, but even if it's not on the same line, they are all connected to each other. They must be connected. How about the other one? Other one is connected to U7700, but this is what we are showing as heat. Okay, so logically there's nothing. There is one resistor here as well. So anyway, we will remove this L7720 and see if we can relieve the short. Everything is connected to something which might not be in the line, but somehow they are connected. Anyway, the board is trolling us around. We will see if we can relieve very low resistance on that line. just by removing this component. But at least by removing this, we can determine where the short is coming from, either from this end or that end. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys, just realized I think the short clip which was under the thermal cam, and where this component which is I will show you here, which was I was looking under the microscope, and then I have desoldered it, remove it. That was the component which was A1502. So when I was looking at under the thermal cam, this is what was showing a lot of heat up to 70 degrees centigrade, which is on PP 5 volt SO line. So I have already removed it. So after removing, I will solder back another one from a donor board. I will show you here. After replacing L7720, which is this one here, now we will come back here where we were reading the short, and hope multimeter is working. Looks like it's working. And now if we check, now multimeter is now not working actually on the board, so I will make sure it's working. Yep, it should work now. Let's come back here again. Okay, do you see the resistance now? So it's not shorted anymore. Okay, so now next thing is we will check with the fan if the fan is spinning or not, and then we will, if the fan is spinning, then we will put it in the housing again and check. Okay, and let's see what happened. Okay, yeah, sorry, I touched it. Anyway, so fan is spinning. Now we will put it in the housing and then see if we got everything normal. Okay, let's turn it on. Can you see? Okay, yeah. So far it's not turning on. Let's try again. Yep, now it got, fan is spinning. Oh yep, it's all good. Okay, you can see now, right? Yeah. It should boot up normally. Yep, all done. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in next video. Bye.